मेधश्लेषमादिकाः पूर्वं सत्कर्माणि समचिरत् अन्यास्तु नाचिरतानि दोषाणां संभवताः. Welcome to Slice of Science. This is day one of reviewing ancient yogic practices. What comes to your mind when you hear the word yoga?
Asanas,
Then,
breathing exercise,
then,
meditation.
சத்கர்மா கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? சத்கர்மால என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு, எப்படி பண்ணணும், ஏன் பண்ணணும், எப்போ பண்ணணும், வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். Satna 6 Karmana action. It consists of 6 techniques which purifies the internal body and it creates a balance between Ida and Pingala Nadi, and it also maintains a harmony between 3 dosas Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Idhula disturbance aachna we get ill. The 6 cleansing techniques are Neti, Dauti, Basti, Nauli, Kapalpati and Trataka. Stay tuned for further more information about Satkarma. #celebrating ancient wisdom of yoga on International Yoga Day.